Hello, class. Happy Sunday. You're getting me all bundled up because we're having a snowstorm here in North Carolina. And I just came in from de-icing the driveway. And just wanted to check in and share some examples for this discussion forum for week 2, which is A Glass Ball of Emotions. Anybody know what movie that's from? Anyways. I was thinking about a lot about, I'm just going to share one example about guilt, the emotion of guilt, and how I have experienced that through a lot of different workspaces, places that I've been involved with, in relation to being a minority, a woman, and in addition, a woman who identifies as a lesbian. We already know per research that women have to work 10 times harder than men to obtain different leadership positions or open positions. And we see that hyper competitiveness in the nonprofit world a lot because there are already limited leadership positions in general, funding, sustainability. In addition, you're already fighting for a position as a woman to stand out. And so you kind of get that hyper competitiveness. And the one thing I realized on my own of a negative emotion that I often have to tap out of is guilt. And that guilt comes from choosing myself. For example, when I was in my 20s or even in my 30s, I know that's surprising to y'all. I actually am 41. I would say yes to everything. My boss would ask me, can you do this? Can you stay late? Can you work over? Can you finish this project? Can you do this? Da 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 da. And I always said yes. Yes, 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 yes. Because it was that hyper competitiveness of, in order to be the next thing or in order to get the position, to me that looked like no work-life balance. To me, that looked like never saying no. And I would feel guilt if I even thought about saying no. And that guilt also made me resent my job or my workplace because, one, I felt like they didn't respect me to give me the time off that I deserved and earned. And two, I felt guilt like maybe I should be doing more or I'm not good enough, that kind of guilt and feelings of inadequacy. And so I just thought I would share that example. And, that guilt can lead you to not feeling valued in the workplace, to being upset, angry, to, the subtle passive aggressiveness behaviors. And so I just wanted to recognize that example today and share it with you all. And I hope you're enjoying week 2. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. All right, take care.